Welcome once again to Home Workouts by Coach Remy. This is a full body HIIT workout you can do. So the way we are going to do this workout, it's each exercise 30 seconds, then we move on to the next exercise. You do as much reps without compromising the shape. And after the 5 minutes, you take enough rest, 1 minute or 2 minutes, depending on the level of fitness and how hard you want to challenge your cardiovascular and the muscular endurance. All right, so we will have 10 exercises. The first being barbell push-up, bent over row, deadlift, hang clean, front squat, overhead press, back squat. We have hamstrings, upright row, and then hip thrusters. Depending on the amount of time you have, you can do 2 rounds or 3 rounds or 4 rounds of this HIIT circuit. All right, so let's get right into our workout. The barbells push-ups. Let's go. 30 seconds. Let's go, bent over rows with overhand grip. Back is straight, you're looking forward, legs are shoulder width apart. Let's go deadlift, stiff leg deadlift. Once the barbell is above the knees, you start squeezing the glute and you exhale at the top of the movement. Let's go hang clean. Let's go front squat. Legs shoulder width apart, toes facing outward. And the knees go outward when you're squatting down. Let's go overhead press. Back squat, legs shoulder width apart. When you're squatting down, the knees spread outward. with a butt. Now you bend forward. We're going into upright rows. Barbell thumbs, two thumbs with a butt, or hands, shoulder with a butt, hip with a butt. And then you do the upright row. Let's go on the ground, hip thrusters. So the barbell is on the hip bone. All right. There you have it, our 5-minute HIIT workout. Depending on the amount of time you have, you can do 2 rounds, 3 rounds, and that is how you can get a quick, short, effective workout if you have a barbell or dumbbells at home. So thank you. If you did enjoy this type of workout, leave me a comment and tell me how this workout felt for you. Coach Remy here, bringing you fun and challenging workouts you can do at home or anywhere else that fits. Bye bye.